Yo, stop scrolling, right now. In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you the exact chest routine that builds a Hollywood-grade physique. Science-backed, zero fluff.
And I'm here to make sure you do it right. Because most guys are wasting time on random chest workouts. Today we break down the science, the mechanics, and the moves that actually trigger muscle growth. This is free knowledge.
7
Share it.
exercises. 4 sets each. 45 minutes total. This isn't just a workout, it's a blueprint. Let's build that chest, bro.
Here's what most people never learn. Your chest has multiple heads: the sternal head, the clavicular head, and the serratus anterior. Each exercise today hits them from an angle. That's how you build complete chest
When you put your
development.
chest under load, real load, something incredible happens. This is exactly how your body builds mechanical tension, and it's the #1 driver
There
of
are 3
hypertrophy.
pillars to hypertrophy: mechanical tension, metabolic stress, and muscle damage. Today's routine checks all 3 boxes. That's exactly why this works. Now let's get
Exercise
into it.
1, the king of all chest builders, the barbell chest press. 4 sets, 10 reps. Before you lie down, grip matters. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. This minimizes shoulder strain.
Arch that lower back slightly, retract those scapulae, and lock those shoulders down. This is not a shoulder exercise, it's a chest exercise. Scapular moves the deltoids movement and puts everything on the bar with control. 3 seconds down, brief pause at the chest, then drive it up explosively. Full range of motion, every single rep, no half rep. Your chest needs to feel the stretch at the bottom. That's where growth happens.
Gears. Explosive push-ups. Why explosive? Because when you push through the floor with maximum power, you recruit fast twitch muscle, the ones with the highest growth potential.
Watch my
This is
body.
power.
Straight line from head to heels, core tight, no sagging hips, lower under control, then explode off the floor. If you can't get air under your hands yet, that's push as hard and fast as you can. You'll be
my
flying.
body.
Straight line, 45 seconds. And while you rest, listen up. This entire workout is designed with progressive overload in mind. Each to build consistently over time.
Exercise 3, dumbbell chest press.
Here's why this beats the barbell.
Barbell for some guys. The dumbbells move independently. That means greater range of motion, more stabilizer muscle activation,
10
both
reps.
sides.
Full range, peak squeeze. That is what a proper dumbbell press looks like. A contraction at your shoulders. If it's your shoulders, your elbows are flaring.
Think again. Push-ups are one of biomechanically perfect chest movements. They allow natural shoulder movement. This is called scapular protraction. Your chest gets trained and your shoulder
10
health
reps.
improves.
I know what you're thinking. Trust the program. We've already hit the bench press and the dumbbell press. Your chest is already fatigued. These 10 reps are gonna feel like 30. Stay tight, stay focused.
Halfway there. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle? Now rest up. You earned it.
Dumbbell flies. This is where the magic happens for chest isolation. The fly is what creates that deep, full chest shape. Think of it as hugging a giant oak tree, not a press.
Slight bend, about 15 to 20 degrees, and hold that angle the entire movement. This is not negotiable. A fully locked elbow puts stress on the shoulder. Every single
Feel that
rep.
stretch? That is mechanical tension. Loading a muscle produces significantly more hypertrophy. This is next level
Chest
training.
builder. Research consistently shows that my upper pec activation, higher angles just become a shoulder pressed. Keep it low, keep it
This
focused.
is where your Hollywood chest actually comes from, that thick, full upper chest line. You can't fake this look with flat pressing of the pec, and gives that full 3D look from row. Make them
if you're
count.
still here and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button on YouTube, follow us on Instagram at Sinewy_nutrition, and join us on Facebook at Sinewy Nutrition.
This right here is the exercise that 90% of gym goer in your serratus anterior simultaneously, and builds that thick, athletic
Grip the dumbbell
look.
like this. Lie perpendicular across the bench. Now lower the dumbbell back. Feel the chest and the lat stretching together. This is doing the work of 2 exercises.
Feel that deep stretch through your chest? That is stretch-mediated hypertrophy in real time. Your serratus is firing, your pecs are loading, and your lats are in the movement too. This is a masterclass in chest development.
7 exercises for major has been hit from every angle. Your serratus twitch fibers are fired up, probably feels alive for the first time.
Let's recap what we just accomplished. Barbell press for tension, explosive push-ups for fast twitch, dumbbell press for range, incline press for development. 7 movements, 1 perfect chest.
If this routine gave you value, please subscribe right now and comment below which exercise surprised you. Your comments shape our next video. Follow us on Instagram at Sinewy_.
Now go hit that chest, tag us in your results, and remember, the difference between a Hollywood physique isn't genetics, it's knowledge.